Hello, I am Dr. Devashish Chanda from CK Birla Hospital in Gurgaon. I am the orthopedic and joint replacement specialist in this hospital. So today we are going to talk about one of the very important topic, that is knee replacement. So there are many questions about knee replacement. We are going to talk about one of the aspect of knee replacement. Which one should we go for? So knee replacement से पहले if I am planning, many of the patient come to me and ask, should I go for a full knee replacement or a partial knee replacement? So let's break this myth in today's video. What are the requirements for partial knee replacement, whom we suggest partial knee replacement, and where do we suggest complete knee replacement? So before going into any detail, we have to understand what is the problem where we do full knee replacement and where we do partial knee replacement. So we have to understand that knee has three compartments. If we see, this is the knee model. So there are two compartments in between the thigh bone and the leg bone. The inner part, the medial compartment, and the outer part, the lateral compartment between the thigh bone and the leg bone. So one in the medial part, one in the lateral part. The third compartment is between the kneecap and the femur bone. So हिंदी में बताया तो जोड़ के तीन पार्ट होते हैं. तीन पार्ट में पहला वाला पार्ट जो थाई बोन और लेग बोन के बीच में है, इनर पार्ट मीडियल पार्ट, आउटर पार्ट लैटरल, और नी कैप और थाई बोन के बीच का पार्ट. सो बेसिकली वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आर्थराइटिस में इन्वॉल्व, मतलब कि वेयर एंड टियर में इन्वॉल्व वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द joint, or it may involve 2 or 3 parts of the joint. So which one is the most commonest one? In Indian scenario, the inner, the medial compartment hai, that involvement is present in maximum number of patients. Say 80 to 90% of Indian patients, they tend to have medial joint space wear out. So what next we have to do about it? So see, many a times when the early arthritis is there, say early means somewhere around say 35, 40, 45, 50, when the arthritis start, wear and tear of the joint start, it is usually restricted to one compartment, either medial or the lateral, and very rarely the knee, between the kneecap and the femoral bone. So initial patients, when the age is less and the patient is not able to walk at all, where the patient is completely fed up with his knee pain, he is doing all the activities, he is trying to do all the physiotherapy, all the exercises, he is taking pain medicines as well, he has started reducing his weight, but still the pain is there, which is not letting him walk. So when we have only one part of the joint involved, then we replace it with a partial knee replacement. What is partial knee replacement? There we do only replace the involved part. It may be the inner part or the outer part, so it is called half knee replacement. If I show you on an x-ray, we just replace it. If I show you this one, and on this x-ray, if you see, the half part of the knee is replaced. So where we do total knee replacement, if we see, when the joint space on the inner and outer, both sides are reducing, or one side is reduced and other side is uneven, as we can see in this x-ray, you can see there is bone to bone contact in one side, and on the other side we see irregular bone. There is no smooth bone is there. Okay, and secondly, there is a lot of deformity. So in those cases where 2 compartment or 3 compartment are involved, it is better to go for a total knee replacement. Total knee replacement means completely we change everything, like this x-ray. So many a time patient are confused that they see only the medial joint space is reduced, and they डॉक्टर पूछते हैं कि सर मेरा तो सिर्फ एक ही तरफ जॉइंट स्पेस कम हुआ है, काइंडली गेट ए पार्शियल नी डन. So we have to understand when we have to go for a partial knee replacement. It is very simple. See, if anything more than one compartment is involved, compartment में हम लोग cartilage की quality देखते हैं, ठीक है. So it is first on clinical examination. Clinical examination we see what are the joint line tenderness, मतलब कि पेन किस तरफ है, एक ही साइड में पेन है या दूसरे साइड में पेन होता है. How much instability, मतलब चलते वक्त कितना unstable है. The more the unstable is knee, the more we go towards complete knee replacement. ओके अगर इंस्टेबिलिटी बिल्कुल नहीं है देन इट इज़ अ बेटर कैंडिडेट फॉर पार्शियल नी रिप्लेसमेंट। नेक्स्ट पैटेलोफेमोरल, जो नी कैप एंड थाई बोन के बीच में जो आर्थराइटिस वेयर एंड टियर है वो कितना है, इफ इट इज सिग्निफिकेंट देन इट इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड condition for partial knee replacement, because then we are not addressing this kneecap and thigh bone area. So in knee replacement we can definitely consider this, because we sometimes even replace the kneecap, under surface of the kneecap as well. So in partial knee it is not possible. So partial knee candidate are, number one, those who are young, say somebody who is in 40s and 50s without deformity, मतलब पैर टेढ़ा नहीं हुआ है, okay, there is no deformity in the legs are completely straight. Number 3, the ACL, the ligament inside the joint is very important. So if you don't have a ACL ligament, there are two ligaments inside the knee, one is ACL, one is PCL. The function of ACL is to stop this lower end of the bone, means lower leg bone जो है उसको आगे जाने से रोकना, and PCL works by preventing it from going it posterior, means back side जाने से रोकता है. So if your ACL or PCL is deficient, then you are not an ideal candidate. So there are 3 basic criteria. Number 1, single compartment involvement, young patient, no deformity. 4th is ACL and PCL should be intact. So these are the indication where we can go for partial knee replacement. Again, many of the patients they ask they tend to come to us and say that I want to get partial knee replacement done, because I don't want full knee replacement, क्योंकि full knee replacement को तो जी 10 years ही life है, existing life है. So we have to understand, if done properly and with all utmost things, जैसे मैंने ये सारे criteria बोले, 4 criteria, वो सारे के सारे maintain किए, then you have to understand that this partial knee is going to last even 30 to 40 years. So Oxford, this is an Oxford knee, इसके results around 30 years lasting of this, if done properly. If done wrongly, then even knee replacement, full knee replacement is not going to last. So alignment correction is very important, ठीक है. So alignment अगर आपका correct है, then you should go for a partial knee replacement. So who are not candidates of partial knee replacement, ये भी एक important point है. So somebody is very fat and very heavy. So somebody more than BMI say more than 40-45 is not a very good candidate for partial knee replacement. Secondly, there is a lot of deformity, because partial knee if we do not correct the deformity. We may correct little bit of it, but maximum time correction of deformity is not our aim. So deformity अगर ज़्यादा है, we go for complete knee replacement. More than one compartment, medial के साथ patellofemoral भी involved है, then we go for total knee replacement, because we don't want to see the patient again and again. It should be one time patient comes and everything should be done together. Next is somebody who has instability, जैसे पैर mediolaterally भी बहुत ज़्यादा हिलता है, ठीक है, that is called lateral thrust. Knee is meant to work like this only, it should not waver around. Mediolaterally stability रहना चाहिए. So those those are the ideal patient where we should not think about partial knee replacement. And again, we should not only rely on the x-rays. Many times x-rays are deceptive. So कैसे? X-rays are basically images, and images may be wrong many times. Many times we see कि x-ray में cartilage अच्छा दिखाई दे रहा है. So we have to understand, we may have to evaluate it further. Somebody who is thinking about a partial knee replacement, क्राइटेरिया सारे फुलफिल हो गए. नंबर 1 इज ए यंग कैंडिडेट, लो वेट भी है, ACL लिगामेंट भी स्टेबल है, देयर इज नो डिफॉर्मिटी. नाउ आई थिंकिंग अबाउट नी रिप्लेसमेंट, पार्शियल नी रिप्लेसमेंट, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट, इन माय केसेस आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर एन MRI. आई इवैल्यूएटेड बिफोरहैंड व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ कार्टिलेज इन अदर साइड्स, ठीक है. सो इफ समबडी इज आस्किंग फॉर एन MRI, डोंट थिंक कि वो जबरदस्ती करवा रहा है, ठीक है. मेनी टाइम पेशेंट थिंक कि दिस investigation was not needed, but understand this, when I am going to commit myself for partial knee replacement, I have to 100% be sure the other compartment is okay, the other patellofemoral compartment is 100% okay. So if my planning is good, then my execution will be better. So I think these involves all the questions around partial knee and complete knee. So there is no fixed age. Sometimes patient comes and says ki my age is like 60, what should I do? So see, I have done partial knee replacement from 40 to 85 as well. Okay, and I have done knee replacement from 40 to 85. Whichever is needed according to your age is the one you should get it done. Okay, so all in all, I think it answers all of the questions regarding partial and complete knee replacements. If you still have a question, please feel free to ask. पूछने के लिए कभी शर्माने की जरूरत नहीं है. Put a question underneath your or this YouTube link. We'll definitely answer your queries. If you have any problems, anything you want to know more, you can come and ask me directly. So we are at CK Birla Hospital in Gurgaon. You can come and visit us anytime. Thanks a lot.